Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Reims, France, and behind me is the Notre-Dame of Reims, Reims Notre-Dame, and I'm going to show it to you, and then we'll go inside and take a look, and we'll share it with you. Here we go. So, this is the outside, and it is amazing. I mean, look at all the little sculptures and all the stuff. It's just incredible, and it's a big boy. Let me show you what we're looking at here. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow. It's huge. Wow. You can get a tour of it and they'll take you to the top, I think. I saw a video where they'll take you to the top. And right over to the right of this is the palace. But I want to go this way first. I want to show you how long it is from the outside and the flying buttresses and all that stuff. And can you see the gargoyle water spouts? I don't know. I'll stop right there and you can take a look. All right, which is pretty amazing. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Wow. And these have them too, all the gargoyles hanging off the sides. It's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna have to be quiet in here. It's a Sunday and church might be in session. Oh, okay, shh. Look at the stained glass. It's amazing. Amazing. And look at all the I don't want to be disrespectful, so I think I'm going to get out of here. It is an amazing church, though. Beautiful. Amazing. Far down that goes. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for coming along. Pretty incredible. Certainly worth coming and seeing. Bye, everybody.